Okay, before we fix this puncture on this tyre, so like I say, I bought this kit on eBay for about 16 quid. Comes with 5 puncture repairs, and after you've done 5 you've well got your money back. And then after that the repairs cost no more than maximum 50p each. So, but does the kit work? Well, I'm now on my 9th puncture with 100% success each time. I'm not a tyre fitter, I'm just an average person. I'll be the same as you watching this video now, thinking I'm fed up of repairing tyres, going into tyre shops where they crush the nuts off your tyre wall just to take the tyre off, to extort up to £10 off it to rebalance it. And so, you know, at the end of the day I've decided for 50p I won't take the tyre off, I won't rebalance it, I'll just plug it. So today, this is how we're going to plug it. First, we look for the obvious culprit, which today is that. So, we're going to remove it, and hopefully we're going to hear lots of air coming out. Right, that was only a small, don't know what that was, it didn't go in that far, so has it punctured? Don't know. With a bit of spit on it, and if it keeps blowing up like that, it's blowing like that, that is air coming out. That hole won't cover. So there we have a puncture. So we know where the puncture is, light it, rest it there, open up the kit. First start off with the first tool, which is this. Get above the tyre, you get this, you put it into the hole which is already punctured, and you press almost like stabbing the tyre. Right the way down, so it's down like that. You give it a couple of backwards and forwards to roughen it up. If I take this out, the air will come out. Hear that? But for now, plug it back up. That tyre is left. Second thing, you now have the second tool, which is looks like a knitting needle. And third, we have the strips. These are sticky, they are absolutely the dogs without. That is sticky, well sticky. You then have to feed this through the eye, try and pull it through so it's hovering 50-50. That to me is 50-50. Right, punctures found, gadgets in, paste is there, glue is here. Here we go. Alright, we've put some glue along that. Oh, it's all glued up. This is going to come off, the air's going to come out of it, this is going to go in, so here we go. There we go, we've spread that over there, we push through, right the way through, till the last bit is through. Stop. We now retract the thing back, which will plug this up at the inside of the tyre. Hopefully just a needle comes out. There it is, done. That's the puncture pair fixed. We then pump the tyre up. That's the tyre pumped. And the Stanley knife, we cut the excess off of the top. I'm sure if we was driving down the road that would just come off of its own, but it'd probably make a mess. So it's a lot easier just to cut it off. And there's your plug, that's your plug done in there. I can't show you the inside of the tyre, but you can imagine the amount that went in there, how big and ball it'll be. That's your repair job done. That will last a long time. Okay, that's your puncture done. That's the end of the puncturing done today. Don't forget to take a look at some of the other videos I have on YouTube, as they're of all sorts, as there are DIY projects. Anything that I think people want to know about, I'll video. Over and out. Thank you.